So today I will share how to make this senior 2026 typography effect in Canva, and I will also share how to use it in a t-shirt or a hoodie like this. So let's start with it. So I will first come to Canva, and this is a square canvas which I have chosen, and here I will go to text and click on add a heading, and here I will write senior. Okay, and after that go to font here and choose sports world. So sports world is the font, and after choosing it, let's make it bigger. Okay, and let's move it slightly upper. Okay, and after that I will just middle it, and after that I will just click on shift plus R to activate the rulers, and after that I will just use a ruler here in the upper portion and here also in the lower portion. Make sure you are just making it to the same depth and not just covering the text. Okay, and after that click on R to activate a rectangle, and make sure you cover the rectangle according to the rulers here. So I will just cover it, and I will change the color to white. Okay, and after that, as you can see, it has moved to the back. Let me show you. So it is showing layers. So this is the default layer, which is the background, and this is the rectangle which is showing here. So I will select both of them by clicking on shift or holding on shift in the keyboard, and after that I will just group them. Okay, after grouping them I will duplicate it once, move it upward, click on layer, send to back. Okay, and I will move it slightly up, and again I will duplicate it, again do the same, send to back. Okay, and I will again duplicate it, and this time I will bring it lower here, and I will just right click it, go to layer, send to back again, but this time I will just adjust it here. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate it again, follow the same process and just adjust it. So this is the third time I am doing it here. And fourth time. And make sure all the text is in the same line, so that no adjustment you have to make after the text is done. Okay, so this is done here. Now I will do it one by one, which is I will ungroup it one by one. And after that I will select the text here from the upper layer. I will start and go to hollow, and I will leave this main layer, and I will do this for all the other layers. So this selection is done. Now I want to write here 2026, but using the American football, right? So for that I will use the R again to activate the rectangle again, and I will cover the O part here, and I will cover it till the O part, and I will not cover the R or the I part. And after that, from up to down it is covered, and I will use this one which says American football, and I will use it here. Go to flip, click on flip horizontal and change this color to black, and select this one and change it to white. Okay, and I will make it smaller. And check it if it is working or not, and it is not covering any type of other layers. Now it's time to use the text again. So I will go to add a heading again and write here 6. Okay, and bring it here. Again I will change the font to Sports World. Okay, and I will just make it bigger and make sure it is the same line or the same depth here. So let's cover it and check it. So it is in the same line. Okay, and after that I will duplicate it. I'll bring it here and I will write here 2. Okay, and I will just go it here, and here I will use it again. So it looks like senior 2026, and using the football it will be creating as a 0 in it too. So it looks like 2026. But as you can see, if I change the background now to this, so all the white layers are visible, and we can't use it in a t-shirt like this. We can use it in a design, but we can't use it in a t-shirt. So to use this in a t-shirt, we have to go one more step. So I will go to share, click on download. So one problem which I see in many of the designs, while downloading you do not work on this panel. So you have to make it maximum so that the designs don't pixelate, and I will make sure the file type is as PNG, and I will not make any other changes, and I will click on download. Okay, so it is downloaded. Now I will click on add page and I will just add the design here. Okay, so as you can see, if I add the background, so it is white till here. Okay, so I will just cover it to the whole of the canvas and I will click on BG remover. So now as you can see, if you can now use any type of design or any type of color in it, and it will look absolutely brilliant in here. So let me show you with another color. So it is working fine. As you can see, I will go to elements here, and here I will write T-shirt blank. Okay, and I will go to photos and click on see all, and let's show with a blank t-shirt. Let's find one, and I will use this one. Let's crop it. I will show the front one. You will find it in the back part also if you want to add. Okay, so this is the design. Let's copy it and let's use in the t-shirt. Let's resize it. And this is how it looks in the t-shirt. Let's work in a hoodie design. So I will use a hoodie here. And in the hoodie, I will use it in the back part. So I will just cover it till here and make it bigger. And I will just Ctrl V to paste the design again. And I will use it. So as you can see, this is how the design looks if you use it in a t-shirt or a hoodie. So I hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more designs like this in Canva. So I will meet you in another tutorial next time. And till then, thank you.